sir. So I would now request our Vice Chancellor, sir, to please address parents and students, sir. We look forward to hear from you.
First of all, thank you so much, Manvi, for this kind introduction, and also for the very inspiring words by our Chancellor, Professor Dinesh Singh. I'm truly inspired by what we've set out to do here at K.R. Mangalam University, also under your guidance. I welcome all the parents and students. It's a true pleasure and delight for me to be here with you. And I wish that we could have met under different circumstances, that we could have met face to face and I could have been in your presence. However, the situation, as you know, the challenging situation that we've all been in the last few months doesn't allow that. Let me just reiterate and repeat what our Chancellor has already told you and communicated it to you in beautiful words, that our university is designed primarily, first and foremost, for students. It's student-centric and learner-centric. And I want to, at the beginning, also say that I appreciate the trust that you placed in K.R. Mangalam University in choosing to join this university also in these difficult times. And as Professor Singh has said, we've introduced a whole range of pedagogies that we think would actually support and encourage and bring out the best and the potential, as he said, inside each of the students and each of your children that are joining this university. And some of the things that he has already mentioned are, state-of-the-art pedagogies like project-based learning, so that you begin to learn not only through classrooms or not only through theory, but through actual real-life, real-world projects to understand how each object in the world has different dimensions. Along with that, we emphasize transdisciplinarity, which is to say that you can move from one discipline to another and you can enrich and expand your vision and horizon and understanding of yourself and also of the world around you, which is something very crucial today, has always been crucial, in fact, but we have tended to only focus on monodisciplines until now. But the landscape of education is changing rapidly in India. And as Professor Singh pointed out, the new education policy is truly visionary and will transform education in the country. And it's going to provide a tremendous impetus to young people, the way it's been designed. So some of the things, as he's also pointed out, that we've adopted is project-based learning, as I said, hands-on teaching, transdisciplinarity. We are industry-oriented, that is, we talk to industry leaders, many of whom are on our governing body, and we take their advice in terms of how our students can be prepared to go out into the real world and go out into their professions, so that they are not in a, dealing in a rarefied atmosphere at the university. You have the freedom to choose the kinds of disciplines and the things that interest you at our university so that you can design your degree. This is again something very unique at K.R. Mangalam University. All of this, in fact, is, we've established all these facets so that you as a student, as a young person, can actually discover what excites you, what truly excites you, what resonates with you, what can you be passionate about, and what do you want to do in the rest of your life and career. That is our sole purpose here. And we have outstanding faculty who are trained to do this new innovative pedagogy at the university. We have a very special mentor program, that is, faculty take care of you on a one-to-one basis. They guide you, they answer your questions inside the classroom and outside the classroom on this mentor program. And we also give credits to our students for working on so-called extracurricular activities or working on projects, or for example, working on the website, or organizing events that involve other students, or public events. So we give credit to our students for doing all these things. So once again, I want to say that our entire vision here of K.R. Mangalam University is designed to serve our students so that you have the best of the next 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and get the best kind of education that is both innovative, it's state of the art, and it will give you a tremendous boost and support in finding out what resonates with you so that you are powerful, so that you are strong, and you can go out and deal with anything that life, in a sense, throws at you. Once again, I thank you so much for being here, for choosing to be at K.R. Mangalam University. And I wish you all the very best, and I hope to see you in the near future, face-to-face on our campus when we reopen, when things settle down with COVID-19. Thank you so much again.